Good morning, class 7. Today I am doing a new chapter, that is weathering and soil formation. What is weathering? You know that weathering is a process in which rocks breaks up into small pieces and form small grains of soil. Soils are formed when rocks are made up of different minerals. Soil are formed when rocks are formed, and rocks are made up of different minerals, and the texture of the soil depends upon from which type of rock the soil is being originating. The surface of the earth keeps on changing as human being is responsible, also nature is responsible for it. The changes that happens due to folding and faulting in rock by earthquakes or volcanic activities. This gives the chance to change rocks into soil. Process by which weathering, erosion and deposition play an important role in modifying the earth's surface. The process have a deep impact on the formation of sedimentary rocks. In contrast, climate affects the process. The rate of pattern of weathering of a particular region are influenced by the water, plants and animals found there. Sometimes the nature also acts and the earth's surface gets leveled gradually. Even the difference in heights and landforms also occur. The process is known as gradation, and running water, moving ice, wind, waves, all are its agents. And when there is a gradation, there have to be a degradation. So gradation involves in building up as well as lowering the surface, whereas degradation occurs when heights of highlands are reduced by breaking and carrying away the rock sediments. When the materials are deposited by the agents of gradation, areas like the river basins, the height of these areas just grows up because the material that has been graded out is being deposited in those places. And this process of building up the land surface by rock materials is known materials by deposition is known as aggradation. Gradations involves three processes: weathering, mass movement and erosion. Next we will read about how the rocks are formed. A rock is hard, naturally occurring mineral material. Rock can consist of a single mineral or several other minerals can be there, which is tightly compact or held together by a cement-like material called matrix. There are three main types of rocks. There are igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. The classification is based on the process of the formation of these rocks. Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are rocks which are made up of 66% of the earth's crust, and the remaining 34% are igneous or metamorphic rocks. Starting with igneous, by the name igneous means it is hard rock, because rocks found from the consolidation of the magma or molten rock materials. What is magma? Magma is the lava that comes out of the volcano and starts cooling down. Now when this magma, when they brought to the surface, those are known as lava, and this lava when they start cooling down, they get harder. Example of such rocks are granite, basalt.